Treehouse Comics proudly presents Dogman, Brawl of the Wild, written and illustrated by Dav Pilkey as George Beard and Harold Hutchins, with color by Jose Garibaldi. Chapter 7 Girl Power. Meanwhile, Yolay, C-Ret, and Zuzu were hot on the trail.
My investigative reporting skills led us to the seedy side of the city, and Zuzu's sniffing skills are picking up the scent. Now, I shall use my charismatic people skills to get the clues. What's this? They are poker breath.
Huh?
You have any clues about the dog-headed crook?
Maybe I do, maybe I don't. Wow. Ooh, you're in for a world of pain, Busy.
Let's go!
The main event, Yolay Caprese vs. Booger Breath. Ready?
Haven't you had enough? Or are you thirsty for more?
Okay. I saw that dog-headed crook. He was robbing the living spray factory outlet over there. May I go now, please?
Say a pretty please.
Pretty please?
What? No sugar?
Pretty please with sugar, topping with cream and those little chocolate sprinkles. Whoa!
Wow, those were some impressive people skills, Yolay. I know, right?
Chapter 8 Help is on the way. So they're closed, eh? I had a feeling that warden was up to no good. Let's follow those dog sled tracks. Meanwhile, are you done installing those filters?
Yeah?
Well, quit goofing around and get out of there.
Okay. Hey, Papa, you wanna hear another joke?
No, I don't.
Oh, come on.
You said you were gonna help me.
I am.
Making up jokes is not helpful.
This one's not made up. It's from a TV show.
No!
Okay, what do you call a worm from King Arthur's court?
A night crawler?
No?
Sir Squirms a lot?
Nope.
Okay, I give up. What do you call him?
Diarrhea.
What is wrong with you? Meanwhile, there he is! Whoa! So, you've come to rescue your little friend, eh? Well, you're too late. Just look at him. He's changed. His spirit is broken. His will has been crushed. He'll never be the same again. But don't feel bad. You see, Dogman's not really a dog or a man. He's a misfit. Even the other dogs don't like him. You should have seen them all growl at him when he got here. It was so hilarious. But then... Whoa! Now wait just a minute. No, wait! No! Stop! Cut it out! Stop, boy! Enough! Bad doggy! I mean, let's go home. And so, climb aboard! What's wrong, Dogman? What are you waiting for? Forget those other dogs. They were mean to you. They growled at you. They turned their backs on you when you needed the most. But Dogman, we can't take all these dogs with us. They won't fit in the helicopter. It's no use, ADHD. You won't leave without them. And so... Alright, gang, we don't have much time. If we hurry, we might make it back to the city in time to watch the new Dogman movie. Let's go!